Hello guys, Madiba lo. Nice to meet you guys, wonderful speakers. Before I go into the presentation, I just want to say, does anyone know what mining people do? Mining. All right. A simple explanation that I normally give people is that everything that we see, like copper, it comes underground. Platinum that is inside our cars as a catalyst, it comes from underground. Gold that we all love, it comes from underground. So it means that someone needs to dig it up and then produce it into a finer things that we love. Therefore, we at AECI Mining Chemicals, we realize that there is a need for chemicals for the mines to take out those chemicals out. So in simple term, when you eat that lovely apple that you love, something goes into your body called vitamins. The rest goes right. So at AECI, we make chemicals that extract only the beautiful minerals we want, and we remove the rest that they don't want. So my name is Ronnie Madiba. I'm here at AECI next to Sasol. We buy 70% of our products that we use as raw materials just right here at Sasol. The chemicals that we use, like I said, are in the mines. So my day-to-day work is what I'm going to be telling you guys about. I did a chemical engineering at Cape Peninsula University of Technology, just next to Western Cape University. And after doing that, I did a BTech, and I did a business management honors. The funny thing with this team leader issue is that people used to call us supervisors, foremen. But our industry, we've changed that because we've realized that the behavior of organizations have changed. Currently, we need people who will inspire others rather than just to tell them what to do. So in our company, they've changed this to ensure that now we no longer have supervisors, but we have team leaders. So my day-to-day work, it's actually simply to inspire others to do best at their work. There's the purpose. I inspire. Someone said to me, but what is inspire? What do you do when you inspire? The word inspire means to take out the best in someone else's life. So you can see there's in, isn't it? So therefore, that's what we do at AECI. I inspire all the employees, mostly in my plant, to ensure that whatever they do each day, they do it perfectly. Some of you need to do math and science. That's why Sasol brought us here today. Because if it was not for math and science, I don't think I was going to be doing what I'm doing today. And if you listen to all the speakers that were speaking here, even a radio presenter did math and science, because you can't do urbanization or urban whatever adverts without math and science. Isn't it? You can't be an astronomer without math and science. Right now you need to read data, the at outlier, you need math and science. So as a team leader, I inspire the employees to ensure that they take out the best product at the best quality. I have a team every morning. This is now what I do every day. Every morning I have a team plus minus 10 people come together. They need to tell me what happened last night. They will say, look, we are tired, whatever complaint that they need, they tell me everything, right? After that, I take all that information. I go to management meeting. Every morning we meet with logistics. We meet with all the department safety. We meet with warehouse managers, and we discuss the problem that our company experience, the problems that the employee experience, and most importantly, the problems that the customer have, which is one of the fields that I used to do as a technical officer in the past. The next thing that I do is plan my day. Young people, this is what I want to do. I want to say to you before I go into this. If you fail to plan, you definitely are in the plan of failing. So if you don't plan your life currently, that this is what you want to be, for example, you say you want to be a doctor, but currently your average marks is 50% in maths and 50% in science. Are you going to be a doctor? Exactly. So as much as you love something, it doesn't mean you're going to be it unless you literally plan it to the core. So at work, after I gather all informations, I sit down and plan my day on how to execute it. I plan even on how to give people instructions. I plan even how we're going to produce the product that we need to give to all the minds in the world. We're currently giving Brazil our product. We're currently giving Congo our product. We're currently giving all the mines in South Africa, especially that produces platinums. We are the sole producer of all those chemicals. The other thing that I do, before I'm going to conclude, is I do what we call order review. This means I sit down every day with salespeople, the people with money. They will tell me that, Ronnie, you gave us a product, but this product is not in good quality. Ronnie, this customer is crying, saying that, if you get to ShopRite, you buy a package, you buy a sugar, 2 kg of sugar, and there's sugar all over it. Those are the customer complaints that I normally handle. So the salespeople will come to me and say, Ronnie, the product is nice, but you need to make sure that next time you send us a clean packaging. So every day I sit down with all the salespeople and they tell me all the customer problems that they have. The last part that we do, I meet up with project and maintenance. Normally this is a meeting at 2 o'clock. We sit down with projects and we think about the problems we are having with our equipment. The equipments that we have sometimes fail. Sometimes at night, someone is producing, and then the belt just stopped, and they don't know why it stopped. So in this meeting, we discuss all the failures of the problems that they had and why they occur. The last thing that we do what we call, it is the future that my colleagues now that I've realized, I think I need some of their numbers to help us in the company, is continuous improvement. The honest truth is just China is coming for us, all of us, including our industry. And we need to improve our product. We need to improve our machinery. We need to improve how we do things every day. Therefore, each day, we ensure that we plan on how to continuously improve our system. Before I close, the word LIFE, what is it? Life. On that word, there is a word F. And the F there means formula. What do we do in maths? We have what we call? Right. So in order to pass maths, you need to understand formulas. In life, in order to ensure that you are successful, you need to have a formula in which way you do things. For example, if you want to be a leader, you cannot be everyone's friend. Always at the time of studying, you are on the street playing, right? You need to have a formula on how do I go about doing what I'm doing. If you remove the letter F, what are you left with? So if you don't put a formula in your life, you will continue to be a liar. I thank you.